Hey guys, it's VinnyLambo here, and today I have something unlike anything I've ever shown off before, and it's a free app called Touch Portal. This isn't sponsored or anything, but I mean, if you want to do anything in the future, I'm down. So what this app is that it's essentially the Elgato Stream Deck, but in an app form. Like I said before, this app is a pretty interesting macro pad for your phone or your tablet that you can use on both Mac and PC. You have to download the app on both your phone and computer for it to work, and after you sync them up, they will work together over your network. From there, it's just like the Elgato Stream Deck and stuff, as you can create macros and shortcuts for pretty much anything you would need to do. So for example, you'd want to use this for opening up different applications, macros for games and keystrokes, or if you're streaming, this is compatible with OBS and XSplit right now, so you can use this to mute your mic, change the scenes, toggle on and off your webcam, and all that different stuff. This can also be used in a professional environment if you want to assign a certain document to a button or open a certain web page with another. This is great for something like an old phone or tablet you have lying around, as it just needs a Wi-Fi connection and the app to work. I also think it's really cool that you can use this on both Mac and PC. So, the free version gives you 8 customizable controls for your phone, and there's barely any delay. You touch it and it instantly loads on your computer. But if you pay $8.99 and upgrade to the Pro version, you will have an unlimited number of macros and unlimited customizability. Configuring what each button does is really easy, and you can make your own kind of logo or icon for it if you want, but they also have an entire icon pack built in for you to pick from. I also think it's a really cool app, and it does exactly what a $150 Stream Deck does for free. But even if you do go pro, $9 versus $150 is not really a question. You can get the app on Android and iOS, so all platforms are good in that sense. Overall, I really think that this app is definitely the way to go for a streamer or a professional if you are in some need of extra macros. I feel that this is way better than the Stream Deck because they do essentially the same thing, and it's all built right into your phone in an app. Well, that's all I have for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace.